Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share with you my frugal buy of the month. I don't like buying new gadgets. I like to do things in the old-fashioned way and try to be frugal as much as possible. I found this baking tray in Sam's Club. It was like $15 to $20 price range, and I thought to give it a shot. All my friends have air fryers and they keep telling me how amazing it is. I did not want to buy another gadget for my house. I wanted to try this pan out. I thought I could use this pan for various different baking purposes. So I tried it and it actually works. I made some nippattu, which is or tatte, that we usually deep fry because it is Deepavali time. We make all these snacks and sweet treats. So I actually tried to bake this, and I was able to make amazing nippattu. It is crispy, it's delicious. I baked it at 350 degrees for an hour and it was awesome. You can see I made a whole box of it for Deepavali, but my family finished almost, I should say, 3/4 of it even before Deepavali starting. And then I made Madur Vada. This Madur Vada is a South Indian favorite. I'm sure most of people who are from South India know what Madur Vada is. This is delicious, but this tastes good only when fried. I tried even this. It came out so well that my family finished most of it again. So I'm going to make a new batch to share it with my friends. So please give this a try. This is awesome. I'm going to keep making more things that I usually fry in the oven. It is 350 degrees or you can try 360 degrees for an hour. It is worth every penny that I paid for this. I love this. Please give it a try and let me know. And happy Deepavali to everybody.